Good day, everyone. Among my four confusion and grade statements, that one I find the most difficult to live by is tutan, which means self-cultivation. As a marine engineering student, self-cultivation means constantly improving myself, learning from mistakes, and staying disciplined in my studies and actions. But in reality, it's not easy. With heavy academic workloads, long training hours, and sometimes pressure from both school and life, it's challenging to stay focused and consistent. There are times when I feel tired, distracted, or lose motivation, and that's when maintaining self-discipline becomes the hardest part. Still, I believe that Tutan is the foundation of becoming a good marine engineer and a better person. So, even it's difficult, I'll keep trying to improve myself every day because the growth begins within.